If your Bookmarks button or Bookmarks bar seems to be missing in Google Chrome, don't worry. This is usually a very quick fix. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to bring it back in just a few seconds. This is a super simple Chrome tip that can save you time if you rely on bookmarks for your favorite websites, work tools, or research pages. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. All right, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome and look at the top right corner of the browser. You'll see the 3 vertical dots, which is the main Chrome menu. Click those dots to open the menu. Once the menu appears, hover your mouse over Bookmarks and Lists. When you do that, a side menu will open with more bookmark options. From that side menu, click Show Bookmarks Bar. As soon as you turn that on, your Bookmarks bar should appear right under the address bar. If it was already enabled but still not visible, this can also help refresh the display and bring it back into view. Now you can easily access your saved bookmarks again without having to search for them manually. This is one of the fastest ways to fix the No Bookmarks button issue in Chrome, and it works for most users right away. If you found this helpful, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more easy browser tips and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.